little adventurers. Welcome to the wonderful world of the forest. I'm Felix the Fox, your furry friend and guide on this amazing learning journey. And look who's joining us today. We've got some fantastic pals to meet. Let's say hello.
Hey kids, I'm Terry the Tiger with my bold stripes and a roar that's more like a friendly purr.
Hi everyone, I'm Gabby the Goat, always ready for a bit of adventure with my curly horns.
Aren't they just the coolest pals? Today, we're diving deep into the forest and discovering all sorts of amazing things. Are you ready for some fun? Welcome to our fantastic forest, where the trees are tall, the leaves are green, and the adventures are endless. Now, let's find out more about each of our friends. Terry, tell our friends something awesome about tigers.
Well, little ones, tigers like me are known for our beautiful stripes and we're excellent swimmers. We're like the cool cats of the jungle.
Gabby, what's something special about goats?
Goats are great climbers. We love hopping around on rocks and mountains, and those curly horns of ours come in handy for sure.
Time for a quick forest fact. Did you know that forests are like big green homes for many animals? They provide us with food, shelter, and lots of places to play and explore. Well, little adventurers, that's all for today's forest fun. We had a blast meeting new friends and exploring the wonders of the forest. Stay curious, keep smiling, and join us next time for more incredible adventures. Bye for now!